Hello, I'm Kai Imani. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning and organizing my hobby room. And this is extremely important, obviously, because when it comes time to want to create and I've eventually made a mess in here, it makes it really hard to be productive. And, as much as we try to convince ourselves, no matter how many times or how many ways you spin it or flip it or turn it around, being in a messy space, especially when you're trying to be creative, is not helpful. It's not like, oh, I like it this way. I find things easier. We have to stop. We have to stop making those excuses and lying because I do it to myself too. And it's a lot easier to do that than to set time aside and actually get things done and get things organized. Okay, I'm rambling. Let's go. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Oh, actually, all right, let's do this. I don't want to do this. If you want to judge me in your head. Don't put it in the comments. Just spare me, okay? It happens. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe I'm just exposing myself. Maybe I'm the only one. Hopefully I am. Hopefully y'all are better. But this is what we're working with. And sometimes I'm not always in here. So sometimes I'll put things like this or things like just things, that I'm not using right now. Is it an excuse? No. Am I just saying it to make myself feel better? Yes. So we're going to go ahead and clean up. So I'm gonna take a little quick dinner break and go pick up my Texas Roadhouse. All right, so I have like random hair products, makeup products, things like that. Over here, technology, camera things, the only jewelry that I kept, little knickknacks, the bags, tool type key things, all the change that was loose change that was in there. I'm at Walmart right now. I'm about to get a few of these containers for my closet. I left my jewelry over where it's at, where I organized it, just because I haven't created the system for that yet. So it's gonna stay there, sorted and organized as it is. Then after I clean this closet, we'll see if maybe I can put things here or it can go somewhere else. All right, so actually before I take these clothes out, I think I'm gonna use my hanger organizers that I just got from Walmart to put them on in here because I think it's gonna be easier. This is how they come out the box. Have y'all ever played, dang, I forgot what that game is called, but it's like the little monkeys come in the jar and then you like hang their tails onto their arms. If you know what that game is called, comment. I look a hot mess right now. I know it. I done gave up on looking cute because I'm just trying to get this done. But I'm actually going to put the clothes up first because right now this is not it. I'm at the stage where like the room is still messy because I'm taking everything out and organizing. So I'm gonna put all these clothes up, then take those clothes down, then put the stuff at the top, then put anything that's like still lingering around. You know what I mean? So yeah, almost done. Almost done. Quick overview of what I did. I have my memorabilia boxes over here, like random technology, phone, laptop stuff, my Cricut, my hair bag. Then I have all or most of my clothes on these hanger organizers. They're here. It'll be kind of some work to get this stuff out, but this is like my tripods. Anything that's pretty like tall that doesn't fit in the regular box. My two guitars are back there. All right, and on this side I have my sound bowl, and I have like all my journals and notebooks. Here is just some storage for like hardware stuff, printer. Then I have all my camera storage things, batteries, remotes. I have lenses and flashes, all my music making stuff. I have a few free drawers. All my craft stuff is on that side. I have all of my cameras in here, in bags, and yeah. So now everything has a place. I'm finally done cleaning and organizing my hobby room, and I just wanted to say that it took me a few days, and at first I was getting frustrated, but sorry, I'm out of breath. That's okay, because a lot of the things that I did really needed to get done. I didn't realize that I had so many different things everywhere that I thought was organized at first. It was just random things in containers, things that I just kept holding on to that I thought I needed. So I tried to make those things that I don't use as often a little bit less accessible. The things that I use more often, more accessible, closer to the front, and maybe like a little bit lower leveled, or leveled with myself or my eyes, I should say. And so I think that's going to really help me moving forward to keep things organized. Cleaning is one thing, but organizing is another thing. And then not just being organized with clutter, because I think that's what I was doing before. I just had organized clutter, and that needed to be cleared away. So now that this room is done, I feel like I'm going to be able to create more freely. I'm not going to be confined to one little area of the room because that's the only room that's clean. And I just think that's going to help me overall with my consistency journey, with my overall peace, with exercising, and anything else that I want to do. If you don't try something and if you don't follow through and you just give up, there's no way, even if you feel like you maybe fail, there's no way to know what could have been or what could be if you don't finish. If I would have stopped and said, you know what, I'm just gonna push everything into the closet, sweep everything under the rug, and continue on with my organized clutter, I would have never known that I could organize in this way and have such peace of mind when it comes to my things. So anyway, see y'all in the next video. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and join my journey in my channel. I don't know what to call it yet. It's new. We're new family, new friends. But I hope that you just join me on this journey.